Hello, and welcome to Module 1 on the basics of instructional design. I'm sure you're wondering how all of this work will be assessed, how it'll all come together. So let's begin with the end in mind, as we often do as teachers. I'd like to share my screen and show you the Proficiency Tracker. And the Proficiency Tracker is simply a way for you to, once you've captured your learning, post that you have provided evidence. So here we are in the Proficiency Tracker. Proficient means that the participant has demonstrated that they can do something independently. Emerging means that it's not quite demonstrated yet, but they're very close, they're getting there. And then incomplete, of course, shows they have not practiced the skill at all. In this tracker, which is a simple table with a P, a E, and an I, the participant will mark whether they're proficient now in that skill, whether it's emerging or whether it's incomplete. Each of the skills is laid out here, and in this workshop, we're going to be working with 10 things, basically. And the space over here in the last column allows you a place to put your evidence of learning. So the first one, I've investigated research behind effective instructional design and can apply it to support quality remote teaching and learning. You might place one of your captured learning documents here as a link. For example, in this example here, I have linked Captured Learning 1, and I've actually provided for you also a bit of a script. So maybe in your Captured Learning 1, you took a look at 3 of the resources in Module 1, and you wrote, early in my exploration of this module, I discovered this resource, and you hyperlink that resource in there. I learned that blank, whatever it was, and I then made several changes to my course design, including blank, showing that you applied that learning. I further explored this video, another resource, perhaps from Module 1, and was struck by how this happened and that happened. Another resource I explored in depth was this article, and you hyperlink it in. So as you can see, and if you're not sure how to hyperlink, there's a place here to show you. The idea is that you're providing evidence of having actually done the work. And we want our participants always to provide evidence, right? And that's how we know that the learning took place. So that's what the Proficiency Tracker is.